my channel. I am Professor Namrata Borate. Today we are going to continue the next part of the fourth topic, that's a phylum Arthropoda. So what's the phylum Arthropoda? This is the largest phylum that includes over the 2/3 of all named species. The most significant phenomena of this phylum, this is the largest phylum. The second significant characteristic is there is a presence of the jointed appendages, jointed legs is here. The next characteristic we see, that is a general characteristic of the phylum Arthropoda. The first one is there is a presence of the organ systems of organization. Means there is a presence of circulatory system, respiratory system, digestive system, then the excretory system. All the systems are present in this organism. So the grades of organization is the organ system. Next, these organisms, it shows a bilateral symmetry, means the organism cut in a one vertical plane of division. It shows a two equal parts, that's the right halves and the left halves. Next characteristic is the organisms are the triploblastic, means there is a presence of ectoderm, mesoderm and the endoderm. Three distinct germ layer is there, so these organisms are the triploblastic. There is a presence of the true coelom, that's a true body cavity which is present between the body wall and the alimentary canal. The next characteristic is about the digestive system. Digestive system, it's a complete type of digestive system, that is a distinct mouth and a distinct anus is here. So the digestive system, it is a complete type of the digestive system is here. The next about the habit and the habitat, they are the cosmopolitan nature, means they are found all over the world. In all the regions of the world, these organisms are found. So they are the cosmopolitan. Next characteristic is about the respiration. The respiration, it is by means of the gills, by means of the book gills, by means of the book gills, by means of the trachea, or by means of the book lungs. The respiration switches occurred, means the respiratory system is here in case of this organism. Circulatory system, it is an open type of circulatory system, means there is absence of the blood vessels. The blood which is passed through from heart to the was to the body cavity, that is the blood, it is pumped by a heart into body cavity. So this system, it is an open type of circulatory system is here. The next about the reproduction. These organisms are mostly the dioecious, that is a male and the female individuals are separate. Usually there is a presence of the internal fertilization. They are mostly the oviparous, means they are the egg laying. And development is the direct or indirect. Next characteristic is about the special characteristic features about the phylum Arthropoda. There is a presence of the jointed appendages, means there is a jointed legs is here. The body, it's divided into the three. First one is the head, second one is the thorax, and the third one is the abdomen. The body is covered by the chitinous cuticle, means there is a presence of the exoskeleton. The excretion, it is by means of the Malpighian tubules. There is a presence of sensory organ, that is the antenna is there. There is a presence of the compound eye and the simple eye. Statocyst, that is a balanced organ, it is present in case of these organisms. This phylum Arthropoda, it includes organisms like the spider, scorpion, crab and the prawns. And some the various insect is also included, that is a butterfly, honeybees, beetles, moth. These organisms, that is a various insects, is also included in the phylum Arthropodas. Next about the economical, this phylum Arthropoda, it's a insects or the organisms, it is classified it into the three distinct categories. First one is the economical importance, insects like the honeybee, bombax and the lactivores. About the vectors, means it is responsible for causing some diseases like the plasmodium, like the malaria, like the filariasis. This it's a vector carrying some arthropoda's members is here. That is a mosquito. It's a Anemophilus. This Anemophilus mosquito, it is contains a Plasmodium virus which is responsible. Colex, it's responsible. Then the Aedes, it's a responsible, and the housefly. All these arthropoda's members which is carrying some viruses, and this virus is responsible for causing some diseases like the malaria, filariasis, means elephantiasis. All these diseases which is caused due to this organism, that is a vector carrying organism. The next one is it's a gregarious pest. It's a Loctus lacusta. The next is a that's a living fossils is a limulus, means a king crab is here. These are the organisms which is classified it into the four forms, that is economically importance, vectors, next one is a gregarious pest, and the living fossils. Next, about the summary of the phylum Arthropoda. This shows the organ system. There is a presence of the bilateral symmetry in case of these organisms. The organisms are the triploblastic. There is a presence of the true coelom. They are the cosmopolitan, means found in all the regions. There is a presence of the complete type of digestive system, and the respiration it by means of the gills, by means of the book gills, trachea, or by means of the book lungs. There is a presence of open type of circulatory system. The next about the reproduction, they are mostly the dioecious, that is the male and the females are the distinct. Usually the internal fertilization is mostly they are the oviparous. Development it is a direct or the indirect. The significant characteristic is there is a presence of the jointed appendages. Your body it is divided it into the head, thorax, and the abdomen. Chitinous cuticle is there. There is a presence of malpighian tubules. Sensory organs is that sensory organs is the antenna, compound eye, simple and the statocyst. Example, it includes examples like the spider, scorpion, crab, prawns, insects, that's a honeybee, butterfly. All these are included in the phylum Arthropoda. Next, hope so all of you understood it. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.